everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. This is a brand new company to me. Never purchased anything from these, even back in the day when I used to craft. What I did do, so how I found out about them, was they did a craftathon with Craft Stash for the Ukraine, and I was watching and I actually donated, and this company, in this company's hour, because I was loving what they was doing, and I actually won this that the gentleman had made. I absolutely love it. So the fact I've got a video, I can go on YouTube and watch him make this, but no, I've actually got this piece of artwork. It's just stunning. So I went and checked out the website and loved some of the stuff they did. Well, quite a lot of the stuff, and then got an email to say they had a 25% off for the Jubilee, so I had to go and order something then, because you know I can't resist a deal. So without further ado, let's get inside and see what I ordered. So as you can see, a big box of real cool goodies. So we'll start at the top and work our way down. So the first set is the stamps. I'm trying to work out where they call the names. It's Fairy Magic. I absolutely love this girl. I thought she was so stunning. And then we've got those who have seen her will never forget the moment her magic touched their soul. So it's so beautiful. And there's the stamp there. Then the next one is Beauty is Art, and quite a few of these was actually in the sale. This wasn't in the sale. This was £11.99, but quite a few of the stamps I got was actually in the sale for about £3. So I had to get them, plus the 25% discount, so it was amazing. And it's got Art, Love, Create, Beauty, Goddess, and then we've got the torso there and some background type stamps, border stamps. And then we've got a Happy Day. There's lots of funky shapes and stuff there, flowers and faces. And then this one is Masquerade, which I love. Oh, I thought they'd be together like that, so I'm quite glad that they're not, because it gives me the opportunity to do lots of other different things with it. And then we've got the Tree of Life, so we've got Touch Life, storms may break its branches, but new leaves will always grow. So got lots of cute stamps there. Then we've got some Zodiac Aquarius stamps, and this is actually my star sign. So it says independent, witty, rebellious, inventive and intellectual. Well, I can assure you I'm not intellectual that's all. So, but I'm definitely rebellious. And then we've got these, but I actually got these was in the sale, but I've actually gone to go with, I've got the star signs from All and Create little figures, the Janet Klein figures, and I thought they'd work really well with that, so that's cool. So I've got everyone that could that was in stock. They didn't have them all, because like I said, it was in the sale. And this is the Capricorn ones, and Capricorn is unforgiving, dedicated, resourceful, disciplined and a leader. There's the stamps. Then we've got Sagittarius. It says impatient, honest, optimistic, energetic, enthusiastic. And these are the main reason why I purchased, because if anyone knows me, they know I love Alice in Wonderland and Wizard of Oz. So when I seen that they did these figures and stuff, I was just, wow, I need to have them. So this is the Oz Cowardly Lion. So you got the crown, and the lion is Medal of Courage, a paw print, and face your fears, find your courage. So absolutely fab. And then it comes, well, it doesn't come, you can buy the matching die set. So I was obviously going to do that, but just because it says all that fussy cutting, because I don't like fussy cutting. And then we've got the Oz, Dorothy and Toto. So we've got the ruby red shoes, There's No Place Like Home, Dorothy with Toto there, and Dreams Come True. And then again the matching die for that. And then we've got the flying monkey, and it says, don't make me release the flying monkeys. Got some brickwork, some flying monkeys there as well. And again, the coordinating die. And then we've got the Oz Scarecrow, which got the birds there. We've got a triangle here, some diploma, and change your thoughts and you can change the world. And again, the matching die with the scarecrow, birds and the script. This has got to be one of my favourites. I'm going to take that out together. The Tin Man. Loving this heart of cogs and stuff. I feel like it's so cool. And there's the stamps there. And then the matching die set. It's definitely love that. Then we've got the Wicked Witch. And it says beautifully wicked. We've got the fire, we've got an egg timer, flying on a broomstick there, and with the matching dies. And now we're into the Alice. So we've got Alice here, and it says, I knew who I was this morning, but I've changed a few times since then. And we've got the poison, the cake, the key. And I love this image of Alice. I think it's gorgeous. And again, we've got the matching die for them. I didn't manage to get all the matching dies. Need to wait for some to come in stock. And then we've got Queen of Hearts. It says, of hearts or else, treat me like a queen. We've got a crown, we've got the card there. So fabulous. And then we've got the matching dies. Love this one, the caterpillar. Be somebody nobody thought you could be. Love it. I love the mushroom. I love that it's not actually together, so you can do all different things. You could use these in other things. It's not Alice in Wonderland. I could coordinate with my Janet Klein Alice in Wonderland stamps as well. I just think it's fabulous. And there's the caterpillar dies. And then we've got the Cheshire Cat, and it's which way you go depends on where you want to be. And we're all mad here. We've got the face, we've got the fish ears, claws. Absolutely fantastic set of stamps with again the matching dies. And then we've got the Mad Hatter himself, and it says, you're entirely bonkers, all the best people are. Love this teapot with the little Skelly Bob on there as well. And love that, like say, you can see all like the background. I love how they just basically created a card there for you, really. So you could just copy that as well. So, and then we've got the matching die for that. And then we've got the White Rabbit and the Hurrier I Go, the Behind I Get. And we've got lots of numbers and TikTok and stuff with the matching die set again. So I did get matching die sets for everything. I didn't realise I did. I thought I didn't. And it said, you be and I'll be me. You be you and I'll be me. D and dumb, because you stamp him out twice, because it's Tweedledee, Tweedledum. And if it was so, it might be. If it were so, it would be. And then the matching die set. So yeah, so that's my haul from Visible Ink. I hope you enjoyed it. I cannot wait to get creating with this gorgeousness. And I shall see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, so I'm just interjecting a little bit here because I did say I didn't have all the dies for some of the stamps, which I was certain I hadn't ordered, and then when I seen that it was there I was a bit confused. Anyway, as I've gone to check my invoice afterwards, they're so lovely, Helen and Mark. They said basically we've added the Cheshire Cat and White dies as they came back in stock free of charge. Thank you so much for your wonderful order. But like, how amazing was that, guys? Like, they didn't need to do that. I was gutted like that I couldn't get them, and I'm so happy now I've got everything matching. And the fact that I had the 25% discount on top, and then they're giving me these for free, which I'm certain there's something like £10 each or £12 each, something like that. So give me them for free. How amazing is that? So thank you, Helen and Mark from Visible Image. very much appreciated, and it's so kind and thoughtful of you. So yeah, without further ado, I'm going to go now. So I would like to say thank you again for Helen and Mark, and thanks everyone for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye.